Okay, so like high key throughout this video, I'm going to be playing with lighting. Why? Because I want to get better at lighting. So if you see the lighting change like throughout the video, that's literally me like moving the light and turning on different lights. Cause that orange glow effect that you see on my face, like it's not a look. But I don't know how to fix it yet, so there's that. Literally this whole channel is gonna be me figuring out how to film and you guys just watching and like being there. So here we go. It is time to open this letter and it is time to read this letter in front of all 12 people that are gonna see this video. Hold up, let's get like a legit something to open it with. Here we go. I got this plastic knife. This side's already open, so like let's open it from the bottom. Just, you know what I mean, just for like dramatic effect. You see that? Ooh. Ooh, look at that, look at that. I opened my letter. Let us take this baby out. Open her up. Here we go. Dear Bryan Olas. Well, right now you're probably trying to just remember what little Bryan so deviously wrote and said in this letter. Little Bryan, like freshman year, like that's a huge thing I noticed in high school. Like freshmen and seniors, they're not that different. Like we're all baby adults. I could say anything, but nothing that doesn't already embrace you already. What? Okay. Embarrassed. I don't know what I was trying to say there. But I need some questions answered first. So anyway, what ends up happening in Pretty Little Liars and how badly did you cry? Okay, my freshman year, I was literally in love with this show. Like I would watch it all the time. Like the episodes would literally come out like on TV and I would miss them on television because I had gymnastics practice. And I would like look that episode up online the next day at like 12 o'clock. I would Google search that, I would click enter, and I would watch all of Pretty Little Liars illegally. Did you end up getting that BMW that we wanted? No, I didn't. I got a Scion. What does your room look like now? Oh, and then it says, please tell me it's blue and red. Well, it's blue. It's definitely blue. The red, like, is not there yet. But it's funny because it's like, I wrote when I was a freshman that I wanted, like, a blue room, and, like, my whole room is blue. It's crazy. That's not all. Did Bob die, and how did we kill him? And then I said, Mom probably kills him. So Bob is this rooster that we had. This rooster, like, literally used to attack us when we would feed it. Like, straight up, this rooster was from hell. You would go outside, and then he would, like, charge at you. It's this chicken, and it's called a leghorn, and, like, we got them thinking it was cute. Turns out that's, like, the strongest, most meanest chicken of the chicken species. It was so bad. One time, like, story time. Over the summer, I had my friend feed my chickens while my family was gone out of town. Her mother like fed the chickens and then the chicken like attacked her and like I felt so bad. What happened to Hershey's? That's my dog. We ended up giving my dog away because he would like kill my neighbor's chickens and like things like that and like it was bad. I miss that dog though. What does Victoria and Jessica do now? And it says Jessica waited a year for college. It actually like didn't happen. I had like much different views on my sister freshman year than senior year. Sister Jessica, she just tried to run for the NAU student body president, and my sister Victoria is currently, I don't know what she's doing. Like, she's doing her own thing. She is working for this book company, and they sell books, and that's all you need to know. They're both graduates from college, or well, one of them is a graduate from college. The other one's just chilling in college. And so it says, please tell me you were with them. Oh my god, I was so cheesy back then. Like literally I drew a heart next to their name. Let me like talk about this. So, there's this person that I really liked. I liked them for like 3 years. Like off and on. They still don't know, but like I literally like I don't know why, but I was obsessed with this person who's on the team. So I used to be in gymnastics, and my gymnastics team, I'm pretty sure that the only one that's still on there is Benji. Hi Benji, like I know you're not watching this, but like keep doing those flips. Who's your bestie? Anyone who watches this, like thank you. Like I talk to a lot of people, and that's just my thing. Like, I don't judge people, you know what I mean? Like, I'll talk to anybody. But my besties, probably Lauren. I don't know who else I could name right now. Did your handwriting get better? And no, it didn't. My personal handwriting, like what I write in my journals and stuff, got a lot worse. My signatures are clearer, they're faster, they're better, like, just in general. Okay, is grandma still alive? Oh my god, I cannot believe I put that. Why did I write that? Yeah, no, she's not. Like, I love you, great grandma Hazel Smith. You are a queen. Just know that. Rest in Peace. Do you still like blank? No, I don't. Like, I'm over that. Like, we've been over that. So, did you win a gold medal? Like, no, I didn't. I quit gymnastics junior year. Oof. And it was like, what's the hardest trick you can do? Here, I'll show you like a video of that right here. It is called a full branny. I have like a couple other cool tricks, things like that, but I don't know. How many injuries? It just says how many injuries. I tore my hamstring and I've like hurt my ankle a few times, but I'm prone to healing really quickly, so most of my injuries go away. And I think my pinky toe is broken because it like looks a little crooked. It just does not look right. I don't know if you can see that. That's probably gross to put my feet on camera, so. Remember the good times, going to nationals, relaxing. My crush's name is written. I've literally wrote my crush's name 3 times. 4 times. I wrote their name 4 times in my freshman letter. Lilith. Lilith, you're a sweetheart. Like, you're a sweetheart. I'm glad I wrote your name in here. Going to a cabin in Pennsylvania, that was so fun. I hope I have pictures from that. Chemistry, I don't like chemistry anymore. Like, I literally thought I was gonna be like a chemist. Diving, I did dive all 4 years of high school. I would have been proud of that. Swimming, I still love swimming. Soft carpets, ooh, true. I love soft carpets. Icy hot, the movie Stick It, watching Pretty Little Liars. I couldn't even like make it through a whole episode of Pretty Little Liars anymore. It says kittens. Peaches is still around. Like, I love Peaches. Oh my god. Peaches can slay my life. Peaches is my adorable cat. I remember this cat being born. It was the first of the litter and is the only cat we have left, because we gave all the rest away. Ron Pope, 1 grade of sand. I'm not into Ron Pope anymore. German, I went to Germany. I literally went to Germany and like I loved German back then. Alright. That was my freshman letter. I have changed so much since freshman year, and I am just happy about that. Well, that was pretty interesting. I wish I wrote more, but like, I think I wrote this like the minute before we had to turn it in. They were like, okay, everyone turn in your freshman letters or whatever. I was like writing it as they were saying that. So I just wrote like whatever. It's hard to like conceptualize how much I've changed. I remember the feeling that I had while writing this letter and just everything that was like going on in my head, and it's just like the amount of growth that happens in like those 4 years is just incredible. It's a transition period, you know, it's a transition from childhood to adulthood. And I don't know, like, we will see. But I hope you guys enjoyed me reading my freshman letter. I'm good. Like, I think we're good. I just filmed my outro, but I didn't like it, so I'm gonna film it again. So, okay guys, like, that's everything I wanted to say. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, I have more ideas coming. I will post more. You guys will see just about everything. Like, this video kind of has taught me that, like, don't underestimate yourself. Don't underestimate yourself. Like, don't worry about the now. Don't worry about what's going on in your life right now. Like, just worry about what's happening, what's gonna happen. Worry about how you want to leave your impact. I've said everything I had to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Just let me know what you want to see next, and be looking forward for more videos. I kind of have a plan to post on like Sundays, Mondays, like around that area at the beginning of the week, and maybe at the end of the week. But I don't know. We will see. I'm going to Europe this summer, so like I have plans to like vlog over Europe, but I kind of want to like just make videos about Europe and like stuff like that. That'd be cool. We will see. Everything's a guessing game at this point. Enjoy your weekend or week or day or night or whatever time it is, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.